Hello family and welcome back to my channel. I'm Clarissa Coward and I welcome you to a cozy lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. This is a lifestyle channel where we do everything from product reviews, hauls, cooking, cleaning, of course DIYs, everything creative that has to do with making your home a better place to live. I hope that you will stick around and enjoy this video. And by the way, today's video is a short and sweet haul from Grove Collaborative. I am unboxing with you today. I don't have very much stuff because I do have quite a stash, but I wanted to share what I did order and let you know a couple of the things that I have already tried and like. I hope that you'll stick around and enjoy the video. And with that said, come on in and let's get started. I'm thinking for tile, linoleum, and floors like that. So that's one thing. I didn't get a whole lot this month. I have so much stuff. I had tried this by Method a few months ago, and I got the relaxing fragrance. And so I loved it. It lathers up beautifully. So I have to always take the labels off so I can sniff and smell. Their fragrance. Their products come with such nice fragrances. And this one I thought would be good for the warmer weather. It's called Citrus Ginger C. And it's an energy booster. This will be good in the mornings before work, I guess. And it does smell, ooh, heavenly. And it's real soft and rich. Can you see that? Yeah. So that's one. And I also got the Simply Nourish. And this is the one that I tried before. Coconut rice milk shea butter. And this one is really rich as well. I know that this one smells really good. It was the first one that I gave a look-see and a try. And I loved it because you see I've gone back for more. And it really softens your skin in the shower. I'm opening this, guys, so I can... I know what it smells like, and it's like I want you guys to smell it. And I get into that whenever I'm sharing something with you guys. It's like, ooh, look, smell this, touch this. And I know you can't. I just wish you could. But, yeah. So this one is really... Oh, it smells so good. This one is really rich as well. I just wanted to show you that. So this one I've used before and I swear by it. That's why I went back for more. And the other, this is my first time. So maybe I'll do a product review on that one. And then I got just one surface spray because I have so much. I have a stash, so to speak. And I have a lot of the dish soap in this fragrance I ordered last time, but I only ordered 2 of the surface cleaners because I switch off with their surface cleaners. I sometimes use this. I always use this in the bathrooms, but in the kitchen I have their Calgon. Is that what it's called? Calgon? Caldria countertop spray, and I love this as well. So I don't think I've tried a product that I don't like. It's all about finding my favorites, I guess. So I got this as well. So that's it. That was my small haul for this month. I didn't get much, like I said. I have a stash. If you'll just look around at my sink, this is the honeysuckle is what I'm using now. Can you see that? Right there. So, and that's what this is because I have extra honeysuckle dishwashing liquid, so I needed another surface spray. So that's it, guys. A small haul from Grove Collaborative. As I said, this is a great time for you guys to get in on it. If it's something you want to try, if you haven't tried it before, you're not sure you're going to like it, now's the perfect time because they're offering such great free gifts. I know you've seen the little caddies that they make. They're offering one of those, and I think it's one of these of your choice and a dishwashing liquid of your choice and a hand soap of your choice is what they're offering this month. And now's a great time to get the new spring and summer fragrance to try out. So that you can do that, and I'll leave the link below. So that's it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Well, family, as I said, it was be short and sweet, and it was. That was my growth, my unboxing from Grove Collaborative. Like I said, I only got a few things this month. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I also hope that you will take advantage of the offer that Grove is offering this month. And I'll leave the link below just in case you're interested. Otherwise, I'm going to go now. Um, if you will, and if you find my channel interesting, I hope that you will join the family by clicking the red button below. And if you do subscribe, also please remember to click the bell next to that, because then you will be notified of all upcoming videos. I thank you for watching. I'm glad you're here. I really am. And that's it for today. So with that said, as always, I'm going to leave you with hugs and blessings and remind you to remain in your own personal element. Goodbye, family.